guys, Liz here with Wonder Woman. Recently I've had a lot of questions about how to pack and what to pack on international trips. So let's get started on what to pack. I go by two words, comfort and layers. First, comfort. I've had this t-shirt for 2 years. This is my get from one place to another t-shirt. I wear this on all my plane rides. It's amazing. Layers. Layers are key. You don't want to pack a lot. It can be really chilly in the morning and warm up in the afternoon. So layers are super important. And back to comfort. My favorite pair of jeans. You're not going to find jeans that are going to be cheap anywhere else in the world, and they're really not cheap at all in the United States. So take your favorite pair with you. And last, a dress that you can casually wear during the day, or you can dress up with a pair of heels and jewelry at night. Alright guys, that's it from me. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm here to help. I can actually help you plan your next trip. Happy travels.